Hi, everybody. Sorry I can't be here for you today, but I do want to just let you know our two goals are to solve exponential equations and solve log equations. And so you'll notice the first thing that I have on this screen is just all of our tools that we've learned since working with logarithms. So here's our basic translation tool. A to the b power equals c is the exponential form. Log of c base a equals b is the log form. The next two are properties. This one right here is our product property. This one right here is our quotient property. The next one is what's called our power property. So if you remember, it's when we take that power p and we plop it out front of the logarithm like it's a coefficient. And then this is a new one. This property is called the change of base. And today we're going to be using our calculators. And so the change of base will allow any of us, whether we have a fancy calculator or not, to evaluate any log expression. So for example, if I had to evaluate the log of 20 base 5, I don't know the answer off the top of my head because 5 to the what power equals 20 is just not something that I can think of right away. In fact, the value of that is a decimal. So on my calculator, what I would type is using my log button, I would do the log of 20, that's the common log, and I would divide that result by the log of 5. And then you will get a numerical value for what the log of 20 base 5 is. So I'm just going to do that right now. So log of 20. You have to end the parentheses if you're using your graphing calculator, divided by log of 5, end the parentheses again, and I get approximately 1.86. And so that's going to be a help for us. This new change of base formula is going to be a help for us to evaluate any log expression. So at this point, what I'd like you to do is press pause. Make sure that in today's notes, you have all of these different tools in your toolkit because we're just going to get right started with solving equations.